Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have the Ducati Multistrada V4s and I'm going to do a short review and a ride of it. So stay tuned and watch the full video. So this is basically the Multistrada V4s and this is one fully electronic loaded bike. So what you get is you get a quick shifter and an auto blipper. Also you have adaptive cruise control. This is the radar for it, and you also get hill assist, wherein you park the bike on a slope, you can just press that button and it'll help you start back on. You get all LED lights and you get blind spot detection. Basically blind spot detection is nothing but if there is a vehicle in your blind spot and you can't see it, there will be these lights will just blink up and they'll let you know that there is something in your blind spot. Also, all the suspension is electronic skyhook suspension. It's got 8 traction control modes and ABS modes as well. So this is the V4 engine. This is the Multistrada V4s, by the way, and that's about it. One beautiful machine that Ducati manufactures, and this is like the bucket list of motorcycles. So that's the Multi for you guys. I'll be taking it for a short spin and you can see how it performs. Just switch on the console and that's how it lights up. It's on neutral and you have so many things. You have cruise control, you can set your cruise control as well, and again Brembo calipers. Everything is hydraulic. The clutch is completely hydraulic. Let me just start it up. So yes guys, finally riding the Multi V4, and this is a mad bike. Just look at the power that this thing has, and it's crazy, next level crazy. So yeah, I'm riding with Akash of Ducati. Mad bike in mad traffic. Nothing can be done. The power delivery on this thing is really sketchy, you can say. Oh my god, this thing accelerates like crazy. But the problem is the traffic. It's killing. This has been a dream bike for me and should be some time down the line achieving this dream. As of now, I can only get the V2, but yeah, not very fond of the V2, so I'll be getting the V4s only, or the Rally, as and when it launches. The way this thing picks up speed, man, I can very much relate it with the Big Z, and you can actually feel the speed on this. It's not that you can't feel the speed, you can actually feel the speed, unlike the Big Z where everything is masked. So yeah, my god, the way the electronics work on this is another level. Yep, beautiful is what I can say. So let me just take a U-turn now, and I'll have to head back also. The quick shifter really works brilliantly, no doubt. Like one of the best quick shifters I've seen comparatively. Give this bike an open road and it will, you know, like there are a few bikes on which they say you can cross continents, and this is like one of them. You can literally cross continents without feeling anything. Damn the speed. The switchgear is beautiful. I mean, everything functions just the way it has to function. Beautiful switchgear. No doubt. Amazing feedback. Suspension, everything on the bike is, and it's fucking got wheelie control as well. I just tried to pop it and it didn't pop. So yes, one beautiful bike.